welcome to my channel, and just as yes, it's Yani Sev. Today's video we'll be doing an affordable peachy makeup review, and I am so very excited because months na ito nandito sa akin pero hindi ko pa talaga trinay sa mukha ko, girl. Yes, hanggang swatch lang ako talaga sa kamay. Like, I swear. And I promised myself not to use it if hindi man ako mag-vlog. And I just wanted to have a review with you guys para malaman natin ng sabay-sabay kung gaano ba ito quality ang product na ito. This brand has a lot of collection like maroon makeups, peachy makeups, and also the pinkish ones. Pero yung goal natin ngayon is magkaroon ng peachy makeup. Pero yung nabili ko is separated from the collection kasi yung seller, wala silang available na peachy makeup collection, ganyan. Yung maroon and pinkish lang talaga kasi yung available sa kanila. I can't wait to try this on, guys, and to tell you what brand is this. Kasi it's so very affordable. Tingnan natin kung worth it nga ba talaga ang mga makeups na ito. But before we start our video, guys, make sure to click that subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you'll be updated for my upcoming videos. Without further ado, guys, let's get into this video. Alright, let's start! So, ang brand na ito, guys, is makikita nyo sa Facebook, sa Shopee, and also sa Lazada. And napaka-affordable ang kanilang mga items, especially yung mga makeups nila. And I just wanted to try this on kasi peachy nga talaga, you know. May mga, kasi, gusto magkaroon ng makeup na parang natural lang talaga sa kanilang mukha. The palettes that I got from the shop is, first, itong Sweet Mint. Ayan. Excited na talaga akong matry ito. Like, nagigil na ako. And then the next one is this Kiss Beauty eyeshadow. Actually, maraming eyeshadow yung Kiss Beauty. Ayan. Nakabalot pa sa plastic. Hindi ko pa siya tinanggal. And this one, the Tricolor blushers. Ayan. Tanggalin nga natin ito mamaya para magkita na, ang bago-bago pa talaga. Hindi pa talaga ginamit. Charot lang. And also this Kiss Beauty lips ba? Ayan. Okay. Mag-start na lang tayo mag-makeup, guys. I mean, nakalagay na ako ng moisturizer, foundation, concealer, and also brows kasi baka matatagalan pa tayo ng brows. Okay, we are going to review this one first. The Sweet Mint. And what I love about this palette is yung packaging niya. Girl, tignan mo yan. And then, may holographic detail siya sa gilid nito. But, lightweight din. Hindi siya made of hard plastic. Parang cartoon lang. And then, this is the back of the palette. 𝐋𝐄𝐘𝐻'𝑒. Ayan. Parang galing pa rin ito sa China eh. Hindi naman nakalagay na made in China, pero who knows? We're going to open this palette. Tada! Ang ganda niya, guys! Ayan. So, what I like about this one, kasi, each color has its own name. Example, like Holy Jasmine, tapos yung Golden, kalimutan ko kung ano na yun. So, yun na yun. May mga pangalan siya. Let's try to swatch this first. Let's just see kung gaano ba ito ka-pigmented. Let's start with this row. And then, the next one, ipaano na natin. Makikita nyo, guys. Okay naman siguro yung camera. Oo. So, sa mga dark is makikita mo talaga. Yung kasing iba is yung mga glitters na 𝒀𝒏𝒊 and silvery. Ayan. Parang hindi siya makita sa camera. Pero okay din naman, but not that very pigmented. Like, what I really expect. Charot lang. Okay, let's move on with this second palette that we got, which is the Kiss Beauty eyeshadow and blusher. Ayan. So this is the back of the packaging. There. And we have to get it from the carton. Now, finally, I can peel this one. Satisfying, guys. So this is what it looks like. The eyeshadow and the blusher by Kiss Beauty. This is the back of the palette. Yan, ang cute din, no? Okay, let's going to open this one. Sa nakita ko, guys, ito yung may mga orangey na colors sa palette. Like, see that? So, these are the blushers. And these are the eyeshadows. Like, okay. Next is this Tricolor, on my cheek Tricolor blusher, also by Kiss Beauty. Ta-da! Let's going to peel this again. Finally, so clean. Alam nyo guys, natawa ako, at first natawa talaga ako sa packaging niya kasi parang watercolor, di ba? Parang typical na watercolor na binili natin nung kinder pa tayo. Kapag may kapatid ka pang kinder, naku po, good luck. Pag ilagay mo ito sa matataas na lugar na hindi na talaga ma-reach out. Kasi baka makikita mo yung palette mo, ginawa na itong watercolor. Just may marimar na yan. Okay, so these are the colors of the Tricolor blusher. It has light pink color. And this one is like reddish. And this one is brownish, orangey. I don't know. It has cute characters in different colors. Ayan, napaka-cute. And now the most exciting part is we are going to try on this palettes. Oh my god, let's go. So the first one is, I wanted to try this Holy Jasmine from the Sweet Mint for the base. So this is the Holy Jasmine, guys. Okay. Actually, yung color niya is light lang talaga. Parang wala siyang color. Nilagay mo, parang wala lang. Parang wala lang. Okay, the next one is we are going to use the other palette, which is this color from the eyeshadow, Kiss Beauty eyeshadow. This one. Okay, let's go. Diba? Ayan, that's the color. So, wala kasing mirror tong mga palettes na to eh. Diba? Now, we are going to apply it right there. Hello, gorgeous. Nakikita niyo ba? Ha? Parang may orange na yung mata ko. Pasensya guys, doon talaga ako titingin para makita doon kung nakafocus ba talaga yung camera sa... Oh, wow. Oh my god. Ayan. Ano yan? Parang sinuntok ako ni Manny Pacquiao. Diyos mio. Pero hindi naman. Hindi naman, di ba? Hindi. Okay, right. There you go. Ayan. So, the next step is, dito tayo, girl. Dito na tayo. Pero hindi na color yung gagamitin natin. What we are going to use is this one from the Sweet Mint, which is called Sweet Mint. Ayan, may nakasulat siya Sweet Mint. Ayan, may name siya. Yun ang gagamitin natin para dito. Parang hindi ko na talaga kailangan yung brush. Pag gumamit tayo ng glitter, didikit yung glitter sa brush. Hi there! Kita nyo? Ang glittery. Oh my god! Marunong na pala ako mag-makeup. Ang ganda. Boom! Hi guys. Ayan. Alam nyo guys, hanggang tingin lang talaga ako sa mga ganitong makeup eh. Hindi talaga para sa akin yung makeup. Para sa akin talaga is yung gitara, yung piano, yung pagkanta, charot lang. Okay, let's just wait for the final result, guys, so that you can see my makeup clearly. Okay, the next one is we are going to put some darker color for the transition. Yung mata ko kasi may arc, ayan, so that we can achieve that eyeshadow transition. Charot lang, and we are going to use this color. Again, from the Kiss Beauty eyeshadow, which is this one. That's gorgeous right there. Right there. Yan kasi ang advantage kapag malaki yung mata mo. You can put any transitions, whatever you like, because you've got that beautiful eyes. Tarsier na kung tarsier, bro. Can you see that? So we got that transition. Alright. Okay, the next one is we are going to put that much darker color here at the tip of our eyes. Like here. We are going to apply this darker color on our eyeshadow, which is this cobblestone from the Sweet Mint. Oh, there. Okay, this one is super pigmented. It has a dark. Oh my god. Oh my god. See that? See that? Oh. Oh my god. I'm so terrified, guys. Dang, girl, you gave me that oh wow effect. The next one, guys, is we are going to put an eyeliner, and this is from the Lamelia collection. So we have to put this in. Next one is the other side. Okay, so the next one is the blush on. Ano blush pa tayo, girl? So we are going to try this Tricolor blusher. We're going to pick this color. Bam, 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 bam. Hi, girl. Okay. Oof. Wow. Ang tapa ng color. Wow. Oh, wow. Ulit, guys. Ulit.
Ulit?
Ulit.
Ulit, guys. Ulit. Ulit tayo mga
Yeah,
guys.
ulit tayo mga girls. Yung sa blush, it works like yung typical na palette. Kasi napaka-pigmented. Oh my god. Parang much prefer ko talaga yung mga clay blush. Yeah. Trying this one is not that bad. We're going to put the lashes.
For the lipstick, I used the Kiss Beauty Lip Matte shade number 1. As you can see, it has a strong orange pigment and it gives my lips a full and thick coverage. And now for the final review. The colors of the makeup palettes are very gorgeous, it is light on your skin and easy to blend with other colors. The pigments of each color depends on how light or dark they are when it is being applied for your eyeshadow. The prices of the products are very affordable compared to other brands and actually, it doesn't fail my expectations. Wow! Based on its quality, I will rate it 8 out of 10. If you're looking for an affordable peachy makeups to viben up your looks, then I will highly recommend these products to you. There's a link below in the description box and it will lead you to the website where I purchased these products. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I hope to see you again in my next video. Thank you!